Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce high cortisol levels. First, let's tackle stress. Chronic stress is a major driver of elevated cortisol, so identifying and managing your stressors is crucial. Try incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises or meditation into your daily routine. Even just 15 minutes of a calming hobby can make a significant difference in lowering your stress response and, consequently, your cortisol. Next, focus on your diet. A balanced intake of whole foods, including plenty of fruits and vegetables, supports overall health and can help regulate cortisol. Conversely, processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive caffeine can spike cortisol levels. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout your day to stay properly hydrated, which is vital for your body's functions. Prioritizing sleep and physical activity is essential. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as insufficient rest significantly elevates cortisol. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural rhythms. Additionally, incorporate at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. It's a powerful stress reducer, but avoid intense workouts too close to bedtime. Finally, embrace mindfulness and don't hesitate to seek support. Practices like yoga or journaling can foster a sense of calm and reduce cortisol. Spending time outdoors in nature has also been shown to lower stress hormones. If you're consistently struggling with high cortisol, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional. They can offer personalized advice and explore underlying causes, ensuring you get the best possible care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.